Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW 1 Series key fob battery. It's a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership. First, you'll need to identify your key fob type and get the correct replacement battery, usually a CR2032 or CR2450. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the casing. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and pull out the mechanical valet key. This action will reveal a small slot or indentation. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently pry the two halves of the key fob apart, taking care not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently lift out the old battery, which is typically a 3-volt coin cell. Now, insert your new CR2032 or CR2450 battery, ensuring it is placed in the exact same orientation as the one you removed. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring the casing is securely closed. Finally, slide the mechanical valet key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob to confirm that all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.